Listen, if you're tired today, it doesn't mean you're losing. It simply means you're fighting. Life doesn't warn you before it gets hard. The people you see winning today, they've also lived through days with no motivation, no support, and still, they showed up. Remember this, people who wait for motivation never succeed. The ones who work become motivated. You worry about what people will say? Here's the truth. They talk when you fail, and they talk when you win. So you might as well work for yourself. If you're moving slow, that's okay. Just don't stop, because the moment you stop, you fall behind. Every day isn't perfect, but every day gives you a choice, excuses or effort. And people who choose excuses spend their whole life explaining why it never happened. Your background is not your limit. Your past does not decide your future. Your decision does. A decision that says, no matter what happens, I will not quit. The work you're doing quietly today will make noise tomorrow. It will become your story. So remember, you are not late. You are not weak. You are in the process. And the process is painful, but the result is powerful. Today, make a promise to yourself. Whether people support you or not, whether results show up or not, you will do today's work today. Because one day, this today will be called your success story. Get up, stay focused, and go all in. You are stronger than you think.